What's up, y'all? This is your boy Jack, back again with another video. Today we're going to be doing a special unboxing of the M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure, the Sabrent Rocket NVMe 4.0 NVMe drive, and then also a USB 3. USB-C high-speed cable. So these products I got on Amazon, and I will definitely leave the links in the description. But while I crack this open, if you guys can help me out, knock out all that cool YouTube stuff, I'd really appreciate it. Like, share, and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. And without further ado, let's get into it. Let's see what we got. So inside we got the usual books. We have the actual USB 3.0 cables. As you can see, has the USB-C cables, USB-C to C cables. And then inside the actual packaging itself, it has the actual heatsink heating pads to where you can attach to the drive itself. This particular one costs $20, and again, like I said, I'll leave links for all the products in the description. And then also has your mounting screws for your NVMe drives. Has the actual screwdriver. It's the little screwdriver. So kind of for what you see is what you get. Now, what I can tell you is definitely aluminum is metal. So with these NVMe drives, they are going to get a little warm. That's just previous experience. So again, this won't fit your larger heat sinks, but this actual thing, if you wanted to put a cooling solution, maybe a small little fan, if you're going to be using it all the time, I would highly recommend it. I actually purchased a small desk fan because I actually got this for my PS5 to extend the storage a little bit, and I got a small fan to just to have off to the side, because again, it does get a little warm. And as you can see inside there, it's a very simple packaging, very straight to the point, and it definitely gets the job done. So this particular one, just so you know, it is a PCIe NVMe PCIe M key, and it only fits 2242, 2260, and 2280. So again, we're gonna unbox this Sabrent NVMe 4.0 500 gigabyte drive, and again, I'll leave the links in the description in the description for all these particular products. I got this one for the PS5 because I was thinking that the internal SSD was going to be ready to go, and unfortunately, it's not just yet. And we're kind of still waiting to see, what they're actually gonna, what they're actually gonna do, once they unlock it. But they are going to be unlocking it. So we can just take a look at this, at the case itself. It comes in this hard case. So the presentation is definitely top notch. So I'm definitely feeling this so far. This particular one, this particular drive right here is they have this on Amazon for $90. So this 500 gigabyte, and as you can see with the build quality, and this is a M.2 2280. So again, this will fit that enclosure. So make sure, if you're going to purchase an enclosure, or if you're using this for a build, a PCIe 4.0 build, that it is compatible with 2280. Saying, because a lot of people, they kind of, look over that stuff and think all NVMe is created equal, and it is not. So on to the actual cable itself, the high-speed USB 3 Gen 2 cable with 100 watts PD, 10 gigabytes of data transfer, and 5 amp fast charging. This is a big dog pit bull. This is a 3-foot yellow cord, and you can get this on Amazon for $19. I'll leave the link in the description, just like I said before. And as far as the presentation, top notch. Kind of see what what you see is what you get. And with these USB-C cables, these C to C cables, you can definitely tell the difference, versus one that you may get with a Samsung device or another device, or with the PS4, the weight. So, and again, you want to really, really pay attention to that when you're purchasing these items. So again, I don't want to take up too much more of you guys' time. Like, share, and subscribe, and you guys take care of each other. Peace.